35-year-old cop dies at home after not feeling well. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A detective constable who was assigned to the Ellison Road police station reportedly died at home after complaining of not feeling well on Friday. The deceased has been identified as 35-year-old Ramesh Williams. The police was residing in the Kingston 8 area. Reports are that the policeman was living with his 51-year-old common-law wife, who reported that the cop was suffering from fever-like symptoms. She reported that the policeman was complaining of headache, joint pain, fever, and feeling weak. Arrangements were being made to take him to the hospital when he fell unconscious. The policeman was transported to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was formally pronounced dead. The scene, which is the home of the policeman, was processed. Swabs were taken from a pot of chicken soup that he had ate earlier. One swab was taken from a cup that he drank from, and a bottle of water was also swabbed that he had drunk earlier. The police have since commenced an investigation. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.